awesome black and hugger orange aesthetics and 572 cubic inches of ground-pounding big block. This 1969 Camaro Resto Mod will turn driving your muscle car from a hobby into an obsession. The beneficiary of a ground-up restoration, bodywork is exceptionally clean with great gaps and accurate panel alignment all around. The car's uniform quality is proof that someone spent a lot of time making sure everything was on point. A mirror-like coat of hugger orange 2-stage was accented with traditional black rally stripes. Those stripes look great under black vinyl, and D80 spoilers join factory bumper guards to frame a ZL2 cowl induction hood. Open the doors and you'll find an awesome orange houndstooth interior that's easily one of the most stylish cockpits to ever roll out of a GM design studio. Between the seats is a traditional console that houses a Hurst shifter. A wood-trimmed dash hangs an aftermarket gauge pod, complete with a full set of autometer gauges, above controls for modern air conditioning. And in front of the driver, a wood-rimmed Lakara steering wheel laps a tilting column. While the exterior enhancements to the slick Camaro might seem subtle, the 572 cubic inch V8 under the hood is anything but. That big bore engine is bolted to a Tremec 5-speed that sends power back to Mosier axles. If you're in the market for a choice Boulevard Bruiser that's a blast to show off and even more fun to drive, your search is officially over. This well-sorted Camaro mixes classic Chevrolet looks with a ton of power and some of the best drivetrain components available. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.